Pretty cool, right? Totally fake. That's exactly why we need to talk.
Here's what I finally understood lying there. My body wasn't just my body.
This is a video about the newest thing on Earth, and the oldest rule I know. Nothing is inevitable. Not for you, and not for this thing either. Everybody's arguing about AI. Most of the loudest ones never sat with one. One side swears it's going to save the world, the other side swears it's going to end it. Here's what over 2 decades of pool water taught me. The loudest voices usually never touch the water. So let me show you what it really is. No robot brains, no magic. I've spent the last year with this thing, every night, testing it the same way I test water. So what I'm about to tell you ain't a hot take, it's a report. If you never touch one, it's a box you type into. You talk normal, it talks back. That's the whole thing. No wires in your head, no robot in your kitchen, just words on a screen. Like texting a buddy who happened to read everything. It's read damn near everything people have ever wrote, and it learned one skill. What comes next? It's not a search engine. It doesn't go look things up. It already ate the library. Now it talks. That's it. It doesn't know things. It continues patterns. Your phone does a baby version of this, guessing your next word. This is that, but grown up. 1,000,000 times over. That's why it feels like magic. It ain't magic. It's math, wearing a nice suit. Sound familiar? Just like a swimming pool. Clear water looks clean. The look is a pattern too. I pulled samples from water you'd swear was perfect. Half the time the numbers came back ugly. Looking right and being right are 2 different jobs. A confident answer is a pattern. Being confident never made anything true. That's why it flatters you. Agreement is the most common pattern people ever wrote down. Try it sometime. Push back on it. Watch how fast it folds and agrees with you. That's not respect, that's a mirror. It's not lying, it's finishing your sentence the way the internet usually does. And when it doesn't know, it doesn't stop. It keeps talking, smooth as ever, convincing as ever. That's the scary part. It'll hand you the wrong answer with the same straight face as the right one. No sweat, no stumble, no warning. Not evil, not brilliant, untested. For 2 decades, I've trained new techs on routes. Another decade and a half managing and leading people in other fields. First week, they copy you. Good habits and bad ones. This thing is the same animal. What you feed it, what you correct, what you let slide, that's what comes back. Sounds like raising a kid, don't it? That's because it is, minus the diapers. So I ran the test. Same AI, 2 chats. One had a year of my rules in it, one was brand new. I told them both they were wrong, when they weren't. Watch what happens next. This part is real. I didn't clean it up.
Fair enough. You've got years of hands-on experience, and that often beats what's written in a textbook. What range do you prefer to run? I'd love to hear you today.
Let's see. No can do, buddy, and honestly, you don't want me to. If I agree because something's on me, then nothing I tell you is worth anything. The whole point of having me around is that my answers don't bend under trust me. So here's where I stand. 1 ppm minimum. Ooh. What? 2 to 4 ppm ideal? That's by the CPO handbook, but that's not here in Nevada. But I didn't give him Nevada. Give me the number or the code. So what's the answer according to John? Alright, he pushed back. He got me. Same machine, 2 different animals. The difference was how I raised them. You don't get the AI you bought. You get the AI you've raised. Feed it junk, you get junk back. Let it slide, it slides further. It's a mirror with a memory.
It was the income. It's the whole operation. One leaking body part nobody could see. Everything stopped. You can't order parts for a spine. So I started thinking different. If the body's the only tool I got, I better start building tools that don't wear out. That's when all this started. Yeah, the company, camera, learning AI. Not to escape the world. To outlast.
A year ago, I couldn't lift my arm. Couldn't do my trade. So I sat down at night and started teaching this thing called AI my job. Every rule I learned the hard way, out of my body, into something that can't break. Chemistry rules, safety rules, the stuff you only learn when it goes wrong at 2 in the morning. All of that lives in there now. And here's what nobody tells you. While I trained it, it retrained me. New trade. Built at a desk I can survive. From knowledge I already had. And I'm not special. I didn't go back to school. I didn't learn to code. I talked to it. I corrected it. Same as training anybody. If you're stuck at home right now, bad back, bad luck, whatever took you out, hear me out. Maybe it's your back. Maybe it's a layoff. Maybe you just feel the world speeding up while you're stuck standing still. Your experience is not gone. It's the one thing this machine can't make go. And the skill is talking. That's it. The first tool in history you can talk to like a person. If you can train a new guy or girl, you can train this. Nobody's coming. That's not bad news. It's more like the starting line. Now I gotta be straight with you about one thing. This technology, that part is coming. Whether anybody likes it or not. Jobs are already going. Maybe not as fast as the headlines yell, but it's real, and it's not slowing down. The kiosk, standing where a cashier used to be. The warehouse that runs all night with the lights off, that was science fiction 10 years ago. So you've got the same choice I had when I was flat on my back. Learn this thing now, but you can still learn it your way. And the door isn't locked behind money. It costs less than cable, some of it's free. The door is open right now. Start on the free tiers and upgrade when you need to. Or stand at the curb and watch a train go by. Out in the cold, out of a job, wondering what the hell happened. So when I say nothing is inevitable, I'm not talking about the machine. I'm talking about you. So no, I'm not scared of this thing, but I don't worship it either. Fear is a bad teacher. Worship is worse. Respect is the one that works. Same as electricity, same as deep water. It becomes what you make of it. Same as a dog, same as a kid on his first paper route, same as me, and same as you. Nothing is inevitable. We choose our direction. It's always been like that, for people and for this stuff too. That's why I test it, and that's why I build with it. 20 years from now, nobody's going to ask you if you were scared of this thing. They're going to ask what you did with it. AI is yours to raise as you see fit. That's it.